This is Chef Maha from Maha's Lebanese Cuisine. Today we are going to make the dough for all kinds of fatayir, and it's so easy, so simple. Let's get started. So we have 8 cups of all-purpose flour, 5 cups of warm water, 1/3 cup of olive oil, 1 tablespoon yeast, 1 tablespoon salt, and 1 tablespoon sugar. The sugar, it will help the yeast to activate fast, and it will give the dough a pink color, nice beautiful color when you bake it. And I will add this to my dough later when I make it. Just when I roll it, I use the corn flour so it won't stick, the dough won't stick together. I mix all the dry ingredient together, and I'm gonna put the oil, add the oil now, mix them a little bit. And then add the water. You can add, take 1 cup of water, put 1 cup of milk, but this dough is vegan. That's why I'm not adding the milk, but the milk will be good with it too. So I'm gonna mix the dry ingredient with the oil first. So I put 4 cups and a half water, because you know each flour it's different. Sometimes it takes more, sometimes it takes less. So that's why you have to add the water little by little. I'm gonna transfer them back to the bowl and try to work the dough with my hand a little bit, because I need the dough to be so silky, so nice. I'm gonna put just a little bit of olive oil on my hand. So you have to work the dough with your hand until you feel like it's so smooth, so silky. And you don't need it too hard. You need it like this, you know, it's not sticking to your hand, but it's not too hard. Now I finish my dough. I wanna just put some olive oil on my hand and rub it around the dough. You see how silky? Look. That's what you want to see. So I like to cut it in a small balls, because I'm gonna be cooking them outside on the grill on the side. So if you want to cook it inside on the oven, either you can make them like big pieces of bread and roll them and cut them in any size you want. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my dough, place it here with the corn flour. The corn flour, it will make it so easy for you to roll it, and when you put it in the Tupperware together, it won't stick. I like to do the medium size. In this way, like everybody will grab just one pie instead of cutting it half or something if it's too big. And it will give them chance to try all kind of fatayir you are making when you make them small. I like to use the Tupperware because the plastic will make the dough like warm, so the yeast will get activated fast. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna dip this on corn flour and roll it like that. Make it a very nice circle shape. See? If you feel like the other one is bigger than the first one you do, just like take it from the bottom, and then you'll have the same circle. And if you have small pieces like that, you can just roll them like this, make them in a bowl like this, and they will be good. In top, I'm gonna put a little bit more corn flour, and I'm gonna put wet towel, kitchen towel, and leave them rest for like 15 minutes. This is our dough. That's how you make it. It's so simple. Thank you for watching me, and I will see you next week. Bye.